Imagine earning $300 every day without lifting a finger. It sounds like a dream, right? But what if we told you it's possible? Sounds too good to be true? Think again. This is not just a fantasy, it's a reality for many. With Binance, the world's leading cryptocurrency exchange, this dream can become your reality. It's a platform trusted by millions worldwide. Binance offers a powerful platform to grow your wealth, even if you're starting with a small investment. You don't need to be a millionaire to start. In this fast-paced world, everyone is looking for ways to make their money work harder. Time is money, and Binance understands that. Traditional investments often yield minimal returns. They can be slow and frustrating, leaving you wanting more. Binance offers a revolutionary alternative, passive income through cryptocurrency. It's a game changer in the financial world. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, Binance has something for you. It's designed to be user-friendly and accessible. This step-by-step guide will unlock the secrets to earning $300 daily with Binance. Follow along and see how easy it can be. We'll demystify the platform's features, focusing on Binance Earn and its diverse range of investment products. You'll learn how to maximize your earnings. Get ready to take control of your financial future. With Binance, the possibilities are endless. Start your journey today. Binance Earn is your one-stop shop for generating passive income with your cryptocurrency. It's like a high-yield savings account, but for your digital assets. Binance Earn offers a variety of options to suit your risk tolerance and financial goals. Let's break down some of Binance Earn's most popular products. Fixed deposits. Lock in your crypto for a set period and enjoy guaranteed returns. Flexible savings. Earn interest on your crypto with the flexibility to withdraw anytime. Locked staking, support blockchain networks and earn rewards by holding certain cryptocurrencies. DeFi Staking. Access decentralized finance protocols and unlock potentially higher returns. Each product comes with its own risk and reward profile. We'll dive deeper into each option, empowering you to make informed investment decisions. Remember, knowledge is power. Fixed deposits on Binance Earn are perfect for risk-averse investors seeking predictable returns. It's a simple concept. You deposit your crypto for a predetermined period ranging from 7 to 90 days. In return, you earn a fixed interest rate paid out daily. Think of it like a certificate of deposit, CD, at a traditional bank, but with much higher interest rates. The longer you lock up your crypto, the higher the interest rate you'll receive. It's a great way to grow your crypto holdings passively and safely. Fixed deposits are ideal for those who prefer a low-risk investment strategy, want to earn a guaranteed return on their crypto, don't need immediate access to their funds. Flexibility is key in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency. Binance Flexible Savings allows you to earn interest on your crypto while maintaining liquidity. Deposit and withdraw your funds anytime, without any lockup periods or penalties. While flexible savings typically offer lower interest rates compared to fixed deposits, they provide unmatched flexibility. You can access your funds instantly, allowing you to seize new investment opportunities as they arise. Flexible savings are perfect for those who value liquidity and quick access to their funds, want to earn passive income on their crypto while actively trading, prefer a low-risk investment option with no lockup periods. Section 5. Locked staking powering blockchains, earning rewards. Locked staking on Binance offers a unique opportunity to support the growth of blockchain technology while earning passive income. By locking up your crypto for a set period, you contribute to the security and stability of proof-of-stake blockchains. In return for your contribution, you receive staking rewards distributed regularly. These rewards are typically higher than those offered on flexible savings, making locked staking an attractive option for long-term investors. Locked staking is ideal for those who believe in the long-term potential of blockchain technology, want to earn higher rewards by supporting specific cryptocurrency projects, and are comfortable with locking up their crypto for a defined period. Section 6. DeFi Staking, high-risk, high-reward opportunities. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is revolutionizing the financial landscape, and Binance DeFi Staking allows you to be part of this exciting revolution. By lending your crypto to DeFi protocols, you can earn potentially much higher returns than traditional staking methods. However, it's crucial to remember that DeFi staking comes with higher risks. Smart contract vulnerabilities, market volatility, and platform instability are some factors to consider. Thorough research and due diligence are essential before venturing into DeFi staking. DeFi staking is ideal for those who are comfortable with higher risk in pursuit of higher rewards, have a good understanding of DeFi protocols and smart contracts, and are willing to actively manage their investments and stay informed about market trends. Section 7, Diversification, the key to minimizing risk. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. This age-old investment wisdom holds true for cryptocurrency as well. Diversifying your portfolio across different Binance Earn products is crucial to minimize risk and maximize potential returns. For instance, you can allocate a portion of your crypto to fixed deposits for guaranteed returns, while dedicating another portion to lock staking for potentially higher rewards. Flexible savings can provide liquidity and allow you to seize new opportunities as they arise. By diversifying your investments, you're spreading your risk and creating a more resilient portfolio that can weather market fluctuations. Remember, a well-diversified portfolio is your best defense against unexpected market movements. Section 8. Withdrawing your earnings. Simple and straightforward. Withdrawing your earnings from Binance Earn is a breeze. The process is designed to be as simple and straightforward as possible, ensuring you can access your funds without any hassle. For flexible savings, you can redeem your funds anytime, giving you the flexibility to access your money whenever you need it. And the redeemed amount will be credited to your spot wallet instantly, so you can use it right away. You can then choose to trade your earnings, taking advantage of market opportunities, withdraw them to your bank account for easy access to cash, or reinvest them in other Binance products to potentially grow your wealth further. For fixed deposits, you can withdraw your funds upon maturity, ensuring you get both your principal and the interest earned. And the principal and interest earned will be transferred to your spot wallet, ready for you to use or reinvest. Locked staking requires you to wait until the lockup period ends, which is a set duration before you can unstake your funds. This ensures the stability of the staking process. The unstaking process may take a few days, depending on the specific cryptocurrency and network congestion at the time. Network congestion can sometimes cause delays, but Binance works to minimize these as much as possible. Binance makes it easy to manage your earnings, providing you with tools to track and optimize your investments, and access your funds when you need them, ensuring you have financial flexibility. The platform's user-friendly interface and intuitive design ensure a seamless withdrawal experience, making it easy for anyone to use. Section 9. Maximizing your Binance earnings. Tips and tricks. Here are some expert tips to help you maximize your earnings on Binance Earn. Start small, grow big. You don't need a fortune to start earning passive income. Even a small amount can grow significantly over time with the right strategy. Begin with a small investment and gradually increase your holdings as you gain confidence and experience. Do your research. Thoroughly research different cryptocurrencies, DeFi protocols, and staking options before investing. Understanding the market and the assets you're investing in is crucial. Knowledge is power in the world of cryptocurrency. Stay informed. Stay updated on market trends, news, and developments in the cryptocurrency space. The market is always evolving, and staying informed will give you an edge. This will help you make informed investment decisions. Reinvest your earnings. Consider reinvesting your earnings to compound your returns over time. Reinvesting can significantly boost your overall returns. This is a powerful strategy for accelerating your wealth-building journey. Remember, consistency is key. By consistently investing and reinvesting your earnings, you'll be amazed at how quickly your crypto portfolio can grow. Stay disciplined and patient and watch your investments flourish. Section 10. Binance, your partner in financial freedom. Binance is more than just a cryptocurrency exchange. It's a comprehensive platform that empowers you to take control of your financial future. With its user-friendly interface, diverse range of products, and commitment to security, Binance is the ideal partner for your journey to financial freedom. Whether you're dreaming of early retirement, financial independence, or simply want to grow your wealth, Binance provides the tools and resources you need to succeed. The platform's educational resources, community support, and intuitive design make it easy for anyone to navigate the world of cryptocurrency and start earning passive income. With Binance, you're not just investing in cryptocurrency, you're investing in your future. Join the millions of users worldwide who are already experiencing the transformative power of Binance. Section 11. Start your journey to $300 a day today. Earning $300 a day with Binance is not a pipe dream. It's an achievable goal with the right knowledge, strategy, and platform. By following the steps outlined in this guide and staying committed to your financial goals, you can turn your crypto investments into a steady stream of passive income. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Sign up for a Binance account today and start your journey to financial freedom. The future of finance is here, and it's within your reach. Take action today and unlock your earning potential with Binance.